Hey guys, welcome back to another little bit of video. This will be unboxing number 4 of the Dracula collection. I got this from, well, I bought it off eBay, but this you can find it on eBay as well as a mummy collection. This came from Vista something. I can't remember what the heck the company is called. Vista Vision. Yeah, Vista Vision. They put these out. I have another one coming, and I should be getting that soon, hopefully. I'll do an unboxing video on that one. This is the Dracula collection. This has all the Dracula movies, and this is a lenticular cover. But if you look at this picture here, Lon Chaney is son of Dracula. He moves from left to right. So is Dracula. Bela Lugosi. I'll show you the spine. Here's the back. Scary, terrifying. Intimidated but never. Imitated but never duplicated. The vampire bat that lives on human blood. Here's I gotta take this thing off. I'm not keep knocking it off. Here's Bela Lugosi as Dracula, the classic. This is Dracula's daughter. And I do not know what this one is. Or this one. But it has, here's Dracula. Now the special features, you may pause to read special features. You get Dracula in 1931. You get Dracula's daughter in 1936. The son of Dracula in 1943. And the House of Dracula, 1945. But as a bonus, there's a bonus, as a bonus, you get the 1931 Dracula Spanish version. So you're actually getting 5 movies. Let me pause and read the special features. I want to peel this thing off because I don't want it on there. I'll show you the back of the box, which is pretty cool. And there he is. There's Dracula himself, the original. Bela Lugosi. King of the vampires. Oh, in a way he is. There's the inside. I'll show you the contents. And these cases are some of that. These cases are pretty strong. Really thick and strong cases. First I'll show you the Emery case first. Here's the Dracula collection. Dracula, Dracula's daughter, son of Dracula, and House of Dracula. And the Spanish version of Dracula right there. I never seen it. I gotta watch that sometime. They were filmed simultaneously, one during the day and one during the night. Open it up. Here's original 1931 Dracula. Here's Dracula's daughter. Here's the son of Dracula, Lon Chaney Jr. Here's the House of Dracula. Now I take these out if I can. Once I bring, I can't. There we go. And I'll show you what the back looks like, although what it is. This one shows the information about the Dracula movie and Daughter of Dracula. or Dracula's daughter, right here. And on the back, it shows the son of Dracula and the house of Dracula. Oh. Nice collection. Then I have the Dracula collection. I have poster arts cards for all of them. I'll show you in a minute here. A nice envelope. And I'll show you the first one. Dracula, 1931. Just little image in the back. That's all, that's the back there. I have Dracula, the Spanish version. You thought by the name, Carlos Villaeras, Lupia Tovar. Dracula's daughter. Look out. She'll get you. Or she'll get you. My fault. Then I have the son of Dracula. Lon Chaney. And then I have the House of Dracula. The Mad Doctor, yeah, Hunchback, the Mad Doctor, Dracula, Wolfman, Frankenstein monster. All new, all together. Lon Chaney, Martha O'Driscoll, John Carradine, Lionel Wentwill, Onslow Stevens, Glenn Strange, Jane Addams, Ludwig Stossel. Well, that's it for the unboxing of the Dracula collection. Let me know what you think about this collection. Leave your comments below. Please let me know. As always, I thank you much for watching, and please subscribe.